Ladies and gentlemen, for a long time, the Congress party has been accused of indulging in blatant dynasty politics by the critics and the BJP. Time and again, it has been alleged that the Parivar matters for the grand old parties and not the people. Even Priyanka Gandhi's Wayanad plunge has Parivarvad written all over it as per the BJP. For the Saffron Party, the triumvirate of Sonia, Rahul, Priyanka have been calling the shots in the Congress for decades. But today, Robert Vadra has more or less revealed that he too is a prominent decision maker within the power corridors of the Congress Party. Maybe even beyond Rahul Gandhi, he clarified that he put his foot down regarding Priyanka's Wayanad entry. Vadra asserted that he firmly said that Priyanka should be in parliament before his entry. Listen it.
जब भी मेरे से पूछा गया कि आप सक्रिय राजनीति में कब भाग लेंगे, तो मैंने हमेशा बोला कि प्रियंका के संसद में भाग लेने पर उनको सांसद के रूप पर देखने पर उसके बाद मैं शामिल हो सकता हूं। इस बारी जब जो डिसीजंस बन रहे थे तो उसमें मैंने ज़रूर ज़्यादा मैंने बोला इस बारी कि नहीं, मैंने बिल्कुल ना सुना नहीं। मैंने कहा बस अब सक्रिय राजनीति में और संसद में होना ज़रूरी है उनका, खाली प्रचार के लिए नहीं। प्रियंका ने बहुत मेहनत की दोनों क्षेत्र में, राहुल के लिए और किशोरी लाल के लिए, तो ज़रूर प्रियंका की मेहनत रंग लाई है।
You're watching the News Hour at 9, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate with Dr. Sudhanshu, Suhail Seth, Tehseen Poonawalla is Vivek Srivastava of the CPI. But my question to you, Tehseen Poonawalla, family, no family. Two questions that I have for you. Robert Vadra says he put his foot down that this time Priyanka has to be in active politics. Now, is he setting the terms within the Congress party, Robert Vadra? Is there a change, in the decision-making process? Number one. And number two, I will always ask as a woman, yes, whoever wants to contest from wherever the party's decision. But if Rahul Gandhi gets to keep Rai Bareli only because it is a family bastion which goes to the son and not to the daughter, I have a problem with that. You think ladki hu lad sakti hu, or you think a daughter does not have the right to the legacy of the family, and is that fair in the 21st century, Tehseen?
Thank you, Navika ji, for having me on the show. So let me answer the second one first, and then I'll answer the first one. If anyone on this panel knows anything about this family, it's me. I'm part. My wife is obviously, part of the family, so I do know a little bit, and there's no patriarchal approach whatsoever. It's a purely political decision. 2029 goes through Uttar Pradesh 2027, and it was thought wise that Rahul ji remains in Rai Bareli, and along with Akhilesh Yadav ji, they make an impact in Uttar Pradesh. Kerala also goes to polls, the state elections, and Priyanka ji would be best there. In fact, I've told Priyanka ji, now moving to the first part of your question, that she should contest last time from Kanyakumari when the Congress sitting MP had passed away. I think Karti Chidambaram had also told Priyanka ji this. So we've been wanting her to contest. Everyone is elated that she's going to Parliament through Lok Sabha. We want her in Parliament. I personally think she's the best orator for Congress, both in English and Hindi. And it'll be fabulous to have both Rahul ji and she in Parliament. As for your question for Robert, look, I'll just say something personal. I don't want to get too much into personal details, but they are a really loving couple, and if a husband wants his wife to go ahead and he supports his wife, has been a support for her, I don't see why this should come up. Here is a man who's confident enough to speak to your reporter and said, look, I support my wife, I'm a support for her, I put my foot down, she should go. And I know that Priyanka ji has been shy from going, she wants to work behind the scenes. If a husband's encouraging his wife, what can be greater than a husband pushing his wife and saying, no, you deserve to be there. So instead of applauding Robert, we are now doing a show, is he the decision maker in Congress? No, he supports his wife, he loves her, he supports her, and kudos to him. Both my wife and I look up to them as a couple. I think they're a great couple.
Tehseen, You know the way it works in jobs. I've been working here. Yes, my husband supports me, but he can't put his foot down that I should be the boss of the channel or I should be the 9 o'clock anchor. He can't put his foot down,
No,
my
so
friend. He can't put
let
his
me
foot
explain that to
down.
you.
I will make it wherever
explain
I
that to
make
you.
it
That's a
on the
mistake.
basis of my merit. My husband cannot put his foot down कि इसको तो बनाना ही पड़ेगा. Is
One
there a
second,
gun
one
to
second.
anybody's head? ये क्या बात हुई?
Since you
Suhail
made
said
that
wants to
comment, allow
come
me
in.
to respond.
Sudhanshu ji wants to come in.
Navika,
Suhail
since you made
said.
that comment, allow me to respond.
I
No,
have
Navika, you
three
made a
things.
comment, allow
1
me
minute
to
here.
respond.
I'll come back.
I request
I
you.
will
Allow me
come
to
back
respond.
to you. Hold on. Listen to everybody's comments and then respond.
No,
Yes.
just allow me 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Number
30
one
seconds.
is a
30
personal
seconds. Just allow me to.
is a
just allow me.
personal desire of mine to see Tehseen also in Parliament, because Tehseen has done enough defending of the Congress on television. He's part of the family. His wife is related to Vadra. His wife also supports him. What's the harm of him coming into Parliament? Number one. Number two, I actually am amazed. Robert is a good human being, nice boy, whatever. But how can you say that I put my foot down and my wife should be a member of Parliament? Your wife is a member of Parliament not because Robert Vadra is her husband. Because, as Tehseen himself said, she is a good orator, she adds value to the party, and she has a great surname. So let's not confuse that Vadra has some more, superpowers. Besides, the son-in-law has not been treated very well in that family for a long, long time, other than Robert. The third is I'm actually delighted that Priyanka Gandhi is coming into Parliament. For the simple reason, as we discussed on your show earlier, Navik, there is no harm in good people coming to Parliament, people actually testing their gravitas and their intellect in Parliament because they have been voted by the people. So it is a democracy. So for all the people who before these elections said that Narendra Modi has throttled democracy, Narendra Modi has finished, elections, the country is in danger, the country has never been happier. अब तो पूरा परिवार बैठ रहा है पार्लियामेंट में. पहले कौन सा परिवार बैठता था? अब आपने जो परिवारवाद की बात की वो अब आपका परिवार बैठ रहा है, सब खुश हैं. हस्बैंड खुश है, वाइफ खुश है, बच्चे खुश हैं, तहसीन जी खुश है, मैं खुश हूं, सुधांशु जी भी खुश हैं, विवेक तो खुश है ही. So I'm saying it's a great thing. But what does it say about India? You know what?
It says
Mark Tully many years ago, Navika said, whatever you see of India, the opposite is equally true. हमारा विचित्र देश है और हमें ये देश को सेलिब्रेट करना चाहिए. बहुत क्रोधित हो गए हैं हम लोग. हमें हंसना चाहिए, खुश होना चाहिए, विवेक को भी थोड़ा स्माइल करना चाहिए, क्योंकि इस देश की जो विभिन्नता है ना और किसी देश में नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
और
And
इसीलिए
it
मैं
is,
देशवासी
let me get in
बनने
Dr.
का बहुत
Sudhanshu Trivedi. Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra going to Wayanad. Rahul Gandhi had already contested Wayanad, before he announced his Raebareli seat. Do you think there is a bit of breach in promise to the people of Wayanad now? Because पहले आप जब हारे थे अमेठी से, you went to Wayanad. Wayanad made you win last time and this time. Then you announce Raebareli as a seat after Wayanad elections have already happened. Now you ditch Wayanad, your sister goes there. थोड़ा musical chairs नहीं?
One thing which Tehseen has said, though it is a purely internal matter of the Congress party and not the Congress party, it's a purely family matter. Whatever they decide, it is up to them to decide from their way wants. And as far as Wayanad is concerned, they are pretty sure, because for the obvious reason, which in inverted comma anybody can understand, why Rahul Gandhi has chosen Wayanad, there is a message to those that thing in inverted comma, कि तुम्हारे पास option क्या है bro? You have no other option. You have to support us. So they are very confident about it. But as far as Robert Vadra's statement is concerned, he should definitely is having his own right to express his feeling after he has seen that Rahul Gandhi suddenly rose the stature. But one thing is very clear. 2014 was the first election. It was fought practically under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi, and Congress met the disaster. 2019 was technically under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi, and Congress met the disaster. And this time, for the first time, when Rahul Gandhi was technically not in any position, but Priyanka Gandhi was also equally doing the things, and first time it has seen an improvement. तो जो पुराना गाना था ना, जीजा साले के बीच में क्या हो रहा है, इसमें हम क्यों बोले हैं? जीजा को लग रहा होगा कि साला मैं तो साहब बन गया, और साहब बन के कैसा तन गया, तो जीजा के जज्बात भी उभर आए। उन्होंने कहा कि भाई मेरी वाइफ को तो मिलना चाहिए, और आगे मौका होगा तो मैं भी अपनी बात कहने की कोशिश करूंगा। तो मुझे लगता है इट इज गिविंग अ क्लियर मैसेज दैट फॉरगेट अबाउट द कंट्री, फॉरगेट अबाउट द सोसाइटी, इट्स प्योर एंड प्योर फैमिली मैटर। एंड इट्स लाइक इन द ओल्डन डेज व्हेन द फ्यूडल सिस्टम यूजेस टू वर्क एंड द फैमिली मेंबर्स हैज टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द वेरियस रियासत इन बिटवीन, ये इलाका तुम्हारा, वो इलाका दक्कन का इलाका तुमको दिया, अपने एक बेटे को कह दिया भाई तू वहां का गवर्नर बन जा और तू वो इलाका ले ले। मुझे लगता है उस ढंग का एक दिखाई पड़ रहा है 21st सेंचुरी में, बट इट इज देयर राइट वॉट एवर दे वांट। बट वन थिंग विल बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एट दिस टाइम, whether the Communist Party will contest against Priyanka Gandhi or they will give a cakewalk. And if they contest,
let's get in Annie Raja joining the broadcast. And Annie Raja, you contested against Rahul Gandhi in Wayanad. Do you believe the electorate in Wayanad will now embrace Priyanka Gandhi like it embraced Rahul Gandhi? At the end of the day, the ticket stays with a member of the Gandhi family. Should there be no problem, and should we assume that Priyanka will sail through to Parliament?
That is for the Congress party to whom should be the candidate and all. It is for the Congress party, and it is their democratic right to decide on such matters. My only point is that when Rahul Gandhi contested when he became the candidate there from the Congress party, from UDF, I raised a question to Mr. Rahul Gandhi and to the Congress. That is, my question was, what Congress think, which is the biggest enemy of the people and the country today? Is it the Sangh Parivar communal fascist forces or the left parties? This is the simple question I asked them. But now the situation has a little bit changed. Now election is over. Now a very strong opposition is there, and the situation is little now. Priyanka Gandhi has emerged as one of the leaders of India Alliance and all. So in such a scenario, I have one more question additional. What I asked to Rahul Gandhi, I asked that to Priyanka, that also. What she and her party think that which is the biggest enemy of our country and people. And number two, second question is that now, as I said, Priyanka is one of the popular leader of the India Alliance, and that leader comes and fight against the LDF, that is a Left Democratic Front, and all the parties in that LDF, they are all party or partners in the India Alliance. So a leader of India Alliance, a popular leader of India Alliance, coming and contesting against its own allies there in Kerala. What message she wants to convey to the people? This is the second question, which I very sincere. I am so happy that Congress has put up a women candidate there in Wayanad.
Okay,
so I am happy on that.
Who are you against? Tehseen, that's the question.
To,
that's the question that Annie Raja is asking today. At least answer her.
First of all, I want to congratulate Annie Raja, ma'am. She put up a good fight against Rahul ji. And in a democracy, one wins, one loses. It's a genuine question she's asking. But let me reverse that question and ask ma'am with a lot of humility. If she believes, like the Congress believes, that BJP is the biggest enemy, don't put up a candidate. You fought on the other 18 seats in Kerala. Don't put up a candidate in one seat. Allow the Congress. Anyways, you know that Priyanka ji will win. I told you on this show of Navikas that Rahul Gandhi will win by over 2 lakh votes against you.
So magnanimity should not
you take
come.
A step back. Why can't
magnanimity should not come from the grand old party. It should only come from the left leaders.
May I please make, Navika, may I please make one more seat? That doesn't matter, no? One seat, you have 18 seats, you contest there. May I make one more point? Ma'am, you said that your husband, rightly so, and I have a lot of respect, supported you to reach where you did. And I told you personally, and I want to say this on camera, you've broken a lot of glass ceilings. No other woman editor-in-chief runs 2 channels. You launched a Hindi channel. Fabulous. But your husband supported you like Robert did. He said, go out there and fight the world. ultimately the owners of your channel and the management thought you worthy, just like the electorate of Wayanad will think Priyanka Gandhi Vadra to or to not be worthy.
Well,
as a husband, all you can do is support your
Tehseen
wife to go
Poonawalla,
out
when
in
you have to
the
give
field, which
long
your husband is doing.
explanations for a comment made, you know you made an error. But let me get in Vivek
I'm not giving long lectures. I'm giving you a
Vivek
correct answer.
Srivastava, Tehseen Poonawalla wants the left parties to show magnanimity. Congress won't show magnanimity. Do you think that's right?
I mean, it's just, both sides are saying who should be more magnanimous. But however, yes, I stand with Comrade Annie Raja. I support Comrade Annie Raja, the General Secretary of the National Federation of Indian Women, with a, unenviable record of serving the cause of the women and the communist movement. And we batted for her, we fought for her, we canvassed for her when she stood against Rahul Gandhi. It doesn't mean the India alliance is going to become any weaker at the center. However, yes, in Kerala, the local dynamics are very different. We have traditionally been fighting the Congress over there and will continue to do so even in the state elections.
Kerala dynamics are different, Punjab dynamics are different, West Bengal dynamics are different, New Delhi dynamics are different. भारत एक देश है कि नहीं है? डॉक्टर सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, मैं तो कंफ्यूज हो गई हूँ.
नहीं, बिल्कुल है. हमने हम 2004
one thing what Tehseen had said.
लड़े थे, लेकिन we had.
Yes, Sudhanshu ji. 30 seconds.
नहीं, वो लड़ते लड़ाते रहेंगे. सुनिए, केरल में लड़ते लड़ाते रहेंगे, दिल्ली में जनता को बनाते रहेंगे. बट वन थिंग विच तहसीन हैज सेड कि भाई ये जो उन्होंने बात बोली, वहां पर ये बहुत क्लियर कोई समझ सकता है कि बिटवीन द हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ हु हैज सपोर्टेड whom and who is there by virtue of whom, I think people are wise enough to understand. They doesn't need the explanation which Tehseen Bhai is trying to put. But one thing, 2 सीटें जीती राहुल गांधी ने. उस समय तो चलिए खतरा था कि यूपी में जीतेंगे नहीं, तो why not pave the way? Now the person who is having 2 seats and 1 extra seat, he has to resign. Why can not he say that it should go to my sister concern, my India alliance partner? No, it has to remain in my family. अरे भाई, अगर आपको जनरल इलेक्शन होता तो आप कह सकते थे मैग्नेनिटी इज रिक्वायर्ड फ्रॉम देयर और फ्रॉम हियर.
True.
But here it is very clear. You are having 2 things, and one you have to leave.
Well,
so you are not ready to leave for your alliance partner, but you are only ready to leave for a family.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's all out there. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, debutant in her electoral politics. Which way this goes, whichever way it goes, the fact of the matter is there will be changed equations. There will be changed equations between treasury benches and the opposition, and there will be changed equations between alliance partners. Will that be in India Alliance or will it be in the NDA Alliance? Well, we wait and watch, and we'll bring you the latest. Thank you very much to all my panelists, and thank you viewers for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night and be safe.